Updating your primary email on Xbox is a straightforward process that can enhance your account's security and ensure you receive important notifications. Follow these steps to successfully change your primary email. Step 1. Sign into your Microsoft account. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Navigate to your profile. Once signed in, click on your profile picture or name in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select My Microsoft account to access your account settings. Step 3. Go to Security Settings. In your account settings, find the Security tab. Click on it to view your security options, including email addresses associated with your account. Step 4. Update your email address. Look for the option to change your primary email address. Enter your new email address and follow any prompts to verify it, such as receiving a confirmation code sent to the new email. Step 5. Confirm changes. After verifying your new email, ensure it is set as your primary email. Review your account settings to confirm that the update has been successfully applied. By following these steps, you can easily update your primary email on your Xbox account. Regularly check your account settings to keep your information current and secure.